Okay, first let's take a look at this formula here in E2. It's correctly adding the values in B2 plus C2, and then it's subtracting out this 10 here. The problem is when we copy this formula, this will update for the rows. If you can see here, it's B3 plus C3, but since we use the number 10 here, it's going to still subtract 10 instead of subtracting 7 like it should when it's on row 3 here. So the way to avoid that particular problem is to, instead of typing the number 10, use you could just type D2, you don't have to do what I did, but tie it to the cell itself instead of the value 10. It'll still give you the same answer here, but then if you hold down on this and drag down, notice that this now gives the correct formula because it takes 10 plus 7 minus 7. And notice also that you only had to type the formula once and the rest of the formula is filled out.